Congratulations on winning Best Local Crypto Community. How are you feeling?
Thank you so much. It is super awesome. We've been working on this for the last like 4 or 5 years. So it's awesome to see that. And it's great to be here.
ArtsDAO has become the Middle East's largest Web3 community. What do you think resonated most with voters tonight?
I think one of the things that we've always tried to harbor is like a sense of belonging in what we do. I feel like the crypto industry is like very segmented between different sub niches and chains and infrastructure. And we're all part of like one big thing. So we should all come together. And that's what we've always harbored in the ecosystem.
Community building in Web3 is very different from traditional networking. What's been the secret ingredients to keeping your members engaged and creating real value beyond just speculation?
I think it's as this is going to sound like very cliche, but it's like understanding how communities work. I always say that running a community is like having like a big family, and part of like having a good family is you communicate in the family, the goods, the ups and downs. When the market's good, you celebrate together. When the markets are down, you sit together and like talk about it. So I feel like we've always just like stuck around and like always focus on the community, the people who are always around you, building with you.
Do you have any predictions for the industry in 2026?
Well, I do think like Bitcoin's gonna hit an all-time high. Maybe not anytime soon, but perhaps like by the end of this year. But I think we're gonna see more and more integration of crypto with like AI. That is an area that we haven't explored, so I'm like looking forward to that.
Well, congratulations again.
Thank you so much for having me.